Namaste and welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see a simple yet healthy breakfast combo. So we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai, add some mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, 2 dry red chilies, 1 green chili, a small piece of ginger finely chopped. Now here I have 3 cups of water. Add salt. 1 carrot I have grated. Also add about 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut and allow everything to come to a boil. This is rice rava, readily available in most of the supermarkets. It is nothing but rice broken into semolina consistency. If you don't have it, if you want to make it at home, just soak rice for about an hour, drain it, spread it on a cloth to dry, then grind it into the mixie and sieve it to get this rice rava. You can even add a few curry leaves to this. See, the water is boiling well now. Now we will add in this rice rava. So here I have 2 cups of rice rava. I have taken 3 cups of water, and as you are stirring, continue mixing it like this. Mix it all well together till the water is absorbed and the mixture becomes a little bit dry. You can cover it and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. See, all the water has been absorbed. Just open the lid and cook it thoroughly so that there is no water remaining and the mixture comes together in one mass like this. Now just allow it to come down to room temperature. I like to add a spoon of coconut oil to this as it gives an awesome flavor. This is optional. If you have, you add, otherwise don't worry about it. Mix everything. Just let it become cool enough to handle it. See, it has come down to room temperature now. I kept water in my steamer for steaming. So here is my steamer plate. I have just lightly greased it. Now take out portions of this rice rava dough and make it into croquettes like this. This is a very healthy breakfast because it involves 2 steamings. One time we are cooking it like an upma, and again we are going to steam it and no frying or anything. So I will steam it in 2 batches. The water is ready now. Place this inside your steamer and over a medium flame just steam it. So a good combo for this is katrika gutsu. It's a kind of gravy made, we can make it in different ways. Today I am making it this way by roasting these large brinjals. So I have roasted it over the flame. Remove the peel and mash it. It is 10 minutes now. It has steamed well. We will switch this off. Now to make this gutsu, heat some oil in a pan. Now add some mustard seeds, urad dal, green chilies chopped. See, the spice for this gutsu comes only from the green chilies. We are not adding Anything else for the spice? Add a pinch of hing, that is asafoetida. Till the dals are browned, then add some curry leaves. Here I have peeled and mashed the brinjal. This is 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, or you can just take tamarind extract also. Add some water, about 2 cups you can add. Add required salt to taste and bring everything to a boil. See, the gotsu has all boiled together and thickened also now. We'll switch it off. So we are ready to serve out our steaming hot rice rava kolkates. Along with some katrika gotsu at the side. Ideally, it would have been good to have the katrika, that is the brinjals with lesser seeds, but this is what I got today. But the taste, let me assure you, it is absolutely awesome, and the typical traditional home style taste where we do not use any onions, tomatoes, garlic. A simple home style traditional recipe for you. See, now I have kept the second batch also for steaming. So another 12 kolkatas. Totally with 2 cups of rice flour, we have got 12 and 12, 24 kolkatas. This traditional home style rice rava kolkatas can be served for breakfast. You can carry it with your lunch box or can be had for dinner too. Definitely try out this recipe and enjoy the immense benefits of eating steamed food. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.